I'm Dr. Arushi Jain, and I'm the Associate Director of the Bharati Institute of Public Policy at the Indian School of Business. Welcome to one and all on this launch of the India Data Portal. On behalf of the Indian School of Business and the Bharati Institute of Public Policy, I welcome the eminent journalists, the representatives from the developmental sector, the civil society activists, researchers, faculty, and dear guests to this occasion today. We have a team of almost 15 researchers who are working on the India Data Portal project at the Indian School of Business. These researchers work on data. We have content developers who work on the content and other things relating to the portal. We have data scientists. We have the project lead. So all these people together come up as a team to build this entire portal. It is a one-stop open access portal for public data and visualizations in India. The focus is to help journalists come up with data-backed stories instead of the anecdotal stories that they generally resort to. Let me begin with the issues relating to data that we found out in our initial interactions with the journalists. The data is on different websites. Even if it's available on a single website, it's generally a kind of a dumped data which is very inaccessible. So, with this background, we started with a media landscape study to understand the current use of data in journalism. And we did two different studies. One was a study where we actually scraped all news articles that were coming in 1 month. So around 20,000 news articles, which was scraped through 150 keywords relating to agriculture, health, and finance, financial words. We did another study which was 12,000 articles with the similar keywords, and this was the articles of the previous 5 years. The astonishing part was that out of these 12,000 articles, 6,500 articles were of agriculture, and only 965 articles were data-backed. So, which was a startling figure. Thus, we understood the need of the entire data portal. We also conducted interactions with the journalists, especially in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. In order to understand the user requirements. What we got as a feedback was, and especially this feedback was from the regional newspapers, from the vernaculars, that, one is that clean, accessible, downloadable data is not available. The second is that they are not skilled to extract data. And the third is the time constraint, because every journalist has to come up with a story very quickly and has to publish it. So they need the resources, appropriate resources, to be able to come up with these kind of stories as quickly as possible. And thus the solution came to be the India Data Portal. The portal will also expand in various ways. One is the granularity. Right now, the granularity is till the district level, but wherever data is available till the tehsil or the village level, we will have it to that level on the portal, so that the journalists who are working in their respective, respective beats in their smaller areas can also make the maximum use of the portal. We are also expanding the portal in 7 different Indian languages. To name them, Hindi, Oriya, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Bengali. We also intend to do pan-India trainings about the portal. We would really invite journalists to get associated with us during these trainings, where they can be the ambassadors of the India Data Portal, because this is a portal that's open access with the intention of public good. So the open data community, the people who are data enthusiasts, the journalists who want to help the community as such, we would really encourage them to become a part of all of us here and to be the ambassadors of the India Data Portal in the times to come.
visualized page where search query is addressed. Other chart options are also available. Click the icons. Filter panel on the left allows to select across various geographies, indicators and time. With the current data set selected, let's see most populated to least populated states. Select all states. So click to build your chart. We selected data till now. This will help us to group the data to create visualization. Population will be seen state-wise. Click on Visualize. India map with color legend indicates Uttar Pradesh has the highest population to states like Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. On clicking on bar plot, it sorts by default in descending order. This can be changed using sort button. Change to either ascending or by alphabetical order. Let's see other color options and download options as well. Reset all. Let's change the data set to agricultural census crop data. Choose Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Select the total area from indicators. In dimensions, select farm size category to understand the holdings for Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Select all for analyzing all kinds of land holdings. In time, select 2010 to 11, the only available time frame. Then group the data as per state and see this for farm size class. Click on Visualize. The stat bar plot indicates Andhra Pradesh has highest land holdings are in the farm size class of 1 to 2, whereas Punjab has highest in 10 to 20. For understanding the story better, let's see the stat bar plot chart. Also, change the color scheme to make it a grayscale. Choose amongst other 4 colored gradient variables to suit the best color scheme of output needed. This can be downloaded as SVG or PNG options to include in analysis or stories. This can also be saved to my profile for viewing later. Click on My Account, My Graphics to see the same visual. The page will have all the same visuals. Clicking on Visualize to open the same visual again. To see what data is underneath, View Data allows to do so. Click on View Data to see what data was filtered for. Clicking on each column header to sort or custom paste. This data can be downloaded as Excel SX or CSV. Click on View Details to see the above variables and other related information. Meta information allows user to understand domain, methodology, crops and pests. Click on sectors to see data and details from agricultural, socio-economic and general to select other data sets. On clicking PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, we can see the view data and related details. Click on Visualize Data to do a similar visualization exercise. Select all states and select number of beneficiaries. Click on Visualize Data and select State to visualize. Click on Donor Chart to see a better understanding.